Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be planting out these beautiful Delphiniums. These were grown from seed last year, so I spent a year in these pots. As you can see, they're really looking well. I can't remember what colour they are. I think they're white if I'm not mistaken, but first of all what I do is get my pots like so, and then just have a look where I want them. We're going to go in the front of this border here, just like the odd dwarfs, these Delphiniums. So place the pots like so, where I want them to be. I don't want to have too much competition. So let's have a look here. Let's put one here like so. A lot of the books tell you to plant them in twos, threes, 5, 7s, 10s, odd numbers like that. Let's also plant one here. So there's 3 done there. Like these are ones that I grew from seed last year. I've got some in bigger pots. I'm going to plant on the allotment. So first of all, what you need to do then is, once you've chosen where to plant them, give it a good dig. Yeah, you want to give them a really good dig like so. As you can see, I've really got, you get down about 12 inches of my soil. And then you get all this broken sandstone, which is not good at all, but once that's dug out like so, all I need to do then is make sure it fits. That's fine. Use this is a peat-based compost. Like so. Give it a good tap. Make sure any roots. Like so. Look at the root system on that. What you can do then is just tease these roots out a little bit. You don't want to keep running round. Like so. Don't want you to damage a few. Some grow back. Then plant them. Surround it with some good compost. Like so. Give it a nice deep down. And then give it a good watering. Don't worry if you've got any weeds that came with the pot, still get the green there here. But yeah, make a nice circle out. Give them a really good saturation. That helps settle any air bubbles that are in the compost. And that's how to plant out your Delphiniums grown by seed. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy growing, happy sowing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe.